Where are the workshops and how can doctors listening get involved?
Well, I have my website uh, in progress. I'm going through a career transition right now. Just opened my office in Manhattan um, to not primarily to treat patients, but primarily to be a base to create a movement.
Mm,
And so my website now is richardnahasmd.com. And I have some workshop dates coming. The next workshop will be in July in DC. We haven't selected the venue yet, but looking forward to that. And I think my group, the North American Academy for Neurotherapy, is also an important resource for anyone interested in neurotherapy. So naant.org. Uh, I have several colleagues who are doing great workshops on the West Coast. So Jeff Harris is a naturopathic doctor who's been teaching for decades. Ann Hill and Ilana Gurovich are teaching workshops. One is in Portland, the other is in Seattle.
hmm
So not much neurotherapy training on the East Coast. So I'm hoping to bring that with some colleagues on this side of the country. And just generally speaking, there are very few educational opportunities for providers who want to learn about neurotherapy, and that's the rate limiting step we want to address. There's a great program in Heidelberg, Germany every summer. Most of it's in German, but they have an English day. There are Spanish language programs in Colombia and in Spain. And unfortunately, language is the barrier, right? That's one of the reasons that there are 30,000 doctors worldwide who do neurotherapy, medical doctors, all of them.
hmm
And here in North America, we have a very small number of docs, and unfortunately, only a minority of us are MDs and DOs. Not that
Sure.
naturopathic doctors can't do excellent work and don't do excellent work. And, some of our members are nurse practitioners and acupuncturists who have a license to inject depending on their state. But I would love to see more doctors treating patients with neurotherapy.
Absolutely. I agree. It's such a powerful and again, somewhat simple. You don't need large hookups and machineries and, all sorts of things that are truly invasive. So it really is such a powerful therapy that I feel like anyone can incorporate as a doctor with such ease and simplicity and see their results just increase and improve. And so I do hope more and
Absolutely.
more doctors get on board, kind of lose the stigma of it being something outside of, just the conventional realm and start to appreciate that this is a very powerful therapy they can incorporate. And for any patient or anybody listening right now thinking about whether or not this could help, I think it absolutely can. And at least to explore, bring it into your awareness field and see if it's right for you and connect with doctors such as yourself.